Hi, we're the students here at a school building machine with 70 levels to represent our country's 70th birthday. Our machine starts with a handle that moves the gear system. The spinning gears push a button which closes the circuit. The motor spins the drum on its axis while holding a ball inside. The ball falls out of the drum onto a track. The ball falls into a cup of a scale and tilts it. The second ball rolls out of the scale into a track that leads it to a crane. The crane wheels a stretched thread tied to a spring-powered toy train. The train rolls the ball down into a pipe. It falls down to a heavy weight that is connected by rubber bands to the bottom of the pipe. The weight stretches the rubber bands and it hits the bottom of the umbrella. The umbrella opens and pulls a thread, which pulls a switch that activates a fan. The air from the fan knocks down a set of dominoes. They knock a ball into a tilted track. The ball falls into a cup that is tied to one end of the thread, and the second end is tied to a balloon. When the thread stretches, the balloon rises and the drinking soda spills into a bottle of vinegar. The balloon inflates and tilts the surface above it. The ball that is on the surface whirls down and hits the bottom of one of the hammers. Those hammers are a big system that are meant to move the machine's continuation to a higher point. The last hammer hits a ball which knocks down a set of dominoes. Those dominoes, as they fall, they hit another ball. It falls into a cup that is connected to by a thread to a pulley. The cup rises and pulls the brake that holds the pump handle in the air. The handle goes down thanks to the rubber bands that were released.
The air from the pump pushes the ball. It rolls down a track and hits a weight which falls down. The weight is being used as a part of a mechanism. The weight falls down and pulls a thread that opens the kettle's lid. The steam that comes out of the kettle melts the tissue paper that holds the weight. The weight falls down and pulls the brake of the ball. The ball rolls down and hits a domino that removes the brake of the next ball, and so on. In the end, the last ball rolls down a tilted surface with a ramp on its end. It rolls and comes back and falls into a hole. The ball knocks down a set of dominoes. The dominoes knock down a weight tied to a coil. The coil rolls down, pulls the thread that is a part of a pulley mechanism. It pulls a wooden plank with a razor attached to it. The plank goes down and cuts the thread that is connected to a pendulum. The pendulum spins around and hits a weight that is fall down onto a horizontal crane. The crane activates a vertical crane system. It triggers a big crane that tilts the surface a ball is rested on. It rolls down and hits a plank that hits a hammer. The hammer hits another ball that rolls down and pushes the copper plate into the second one. And thus an electric circuit is activated. An electric circuit passes through the antenna. The toy car receives the signal and drives forward and makes the disc roll down a track. The disc hits a weight that is tied to a mechanism. When the weight falls down, it stretches the thread and makes the mechanism spin. The thread is connected to the milk and cereal containers, which makes them spill into the ball at the same time.